Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where I'm going to be unboxing my Glosbox October box in November. Yes girl, I know what you're thinking. This came very late and it's why I'm here to unbox to you guys this late. However, I did ask you if you still want to see me unbox this for you, and you were like, yeah girl, show us what's inside. So here I am, and on top of my unboxing, I'm going to show you guys some sneak peek on what is coming for the month of November for Glosbox Germany. I also done sneak peek for Glosbox UK. I'm going to link the video below, check it out. All right, let's begin with some sneak peek and then we are gonna unbox this one. So the theme for this month for November, it is called Beauty Desires, and the box has a minimum value of 70 euro. Now we have two sneak peeks that I'm going to show you guys. The first one is from Figs and Roche, and this one is their soft bronzing primer and finishing fix. Now here is what they say about this product. It says here, look forward to fresh, flawless looking skin thanks to this primer. It fixes your foundation and gives your complexion a perfect matte finish. I like the sound of that. I don't own many products from this company. I only have this one here, I believe, and this is the Glow Elixir. It's such a beautiful product. I use this in summer. It just, you know, adds some glow to your face. I love this one here. So yeah, I'm excited to see what this one really does. Really excited. And this one retails for 44 euro and 50 cents. We are getting 30 milliliter of product, so excited already. All right, the next sneak peek we have for Glosbox November Germany, it is the EDP by Commodity, and this is the perfume, by the way, Pepper. And this one here retails for 8 euro. It's a small size, so that's not much. It's almost like a sample size, and I just wish it's like, you know, more like a medium size rather than a 5 ml product. So anyway, this has a sweet amber scent, which I'm quite excited about, and I cannot wait to try this one here. So those are the two sneak peeks so far that we have for Glosbox Germany. All right, let's get into unboxing this box over here, and I'm going to, you know, update you guys on more sneak peek if you are interested to know more. All right, now this is how the inside looks like. I actually do love the you know, the packaging. The box looks cute, and of course I have mine here, the secret, because they had like two versions, you know. And let's go ahead and just have a look what's inside here. All right, we do have a magazine as always. Looks like this. This is where all the products that I have in my box listed in here, including the prices. So I'll be referring to this if I need to. All right, and oh, so inside, you guys, we have something like this, which you can of course pop on your face. But the interesting part is that we don't have, you know, some hooks that go with it, you know, like to tie it around. So yeah, it's just some holes in there, but that is what's in there. And we have of course a card that looks like this. I'll quickly just show you. And this looks like you either receive a mascara from Catrice Cosmetics or an e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, which is their bite-sized eyeshadow in the shade Berry Bad, which looks like that. So yeah, all right, let's begin with what I'm receiving from this card. So we have a mascara over here, and this one is of course the Catrice mascara, and it is a waterproof, all right, which looks like this. And the wand, wow, I like the wand of this, you guys. I cannot wait to definitely try this one here. All right, so that is the first product that we have for this month. All right, let's move on. Next up, I have a perfume. Now this is from S. Oliver, and it is their EDP natural spray, and you can see how it looks like, the packaging. All right, let's have a look. Oh, okay, interesting. We are getting actually a bigger size here. That is a set meal of product. That's quite a lot. I'm just going to test it out to see if I like the scent. Okay, the scent, it's not really for me. It's not something I would buy. I like something more sweet nowadays. I'm like sweet stuff, you know, I like, but this is the opposite of that, and yeah, definitely this I'm going to pass it to somebody who might enjoy this perfume more than me. So yeah, that is the second product we are getting. Next up we have a shower gel, and this one is from Quesh, if that's how you pronounce it, and it is actually a limited edition. Now they did have two versions of this. You either receive the berry one or the vanilla, and I have the berry one right here. I'm actually glad that I got the berry one because I do have quite a few vanilla scents already in my bathroom, and oh, this smells nice. Smells quite fruity. All right, we are getting about 200 mils of product, so it is quite a lot in there, and I cannot wait to use this one here, you guys. So a shower gel, excited. We have two more products in here. The first one, it is a lipstick, and this looks like this, the packaging. You can see it right there. Okay, looks lovely actually. And we have some names at the bottom here, as you can see. And of course we have some names right on the top there, you can see as well. Let me just bring it closer like that, and then I'll quickly go ahead and just open it and show you how the lipstick looks like. All right, let's have a look. The packaging looks lovely, I love that, and the color also doesn't look too bad. It's more like a nude kind of color. Let's have a look. This, the shade, you can see such a beautiful color, of course. And this one here, you can add a lip liner if you think it is light. Oh, it smells quite nice. I just popped some on my nose there, but yeah, that's how it looks like. It says lip/power natural matte liquid lipstick. I cannot wait to try it. All right, so that is that, you guys. Last but not least, in the box we have a product here from Hey Honey, and this one is their Uncover Detoxifying Mud Mask. It says clarifies and detoxes skin impurities. I'm excited to try this. Let me just open it and show you how the mask looks like. I'll pop some on my hand, maybe on top here, so you can see the texture. All right, so it's more like that. You can see how it looks like. So that is how the mask looks like, and definitely does have oh yeah, that feels a little bit more scratchy, but yeah, that's how the mask looks like. So I'm definitely looking forward. It does have a scent. Ooh, it does have a scent to it. I cannot really explain what that scent is, but yeah, so that is that, you guys, and I will update you. I will probably do like another video trying all these goodies, pop on a mask and see on how I like it. Of course, I'm going to use the shower gel and see whether I like the scent, because I like the scent by like feeling it now, but again, maybe when I use it, it's going to be like different. For the lipstick, I'll probably do another video, try it on and show you guys how it looks like on me. So yeah, these are all the goodies that I received in my October box. Again, we have a mask over here, we have a liquid lipstick, we have a shower gel, a perfume, and a mascara as well. And some people, of course, received the e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. I actually must say that I do love the e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. They are quite good actually, you guys. I have one that I actually use quite a lot. I'll quickly show you if I can find it over here. So I have this one here from e.l.f. and I like the formula of this, so I would love to get this one here, but again, I received the mascara. Still, you know, I can always buy them because they're quite affordable. But yeah, so you guys, that is everything as to what I think about this month's product. I think we have quite you know, a good selection here of products. I would have loved to see probably, I don't know, more, maybe more skincare products. That could have been lovely. All right, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the October products, and I will catch you guys on my next one, and I cannot wait to receive my November box so I can come here and unbox it for you guys and we can all see what's inside. All right, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a like and share with somebody who likes, you know, unboxing videos in general. All right, you guys, take care, and I shall catch you all wonderful people on my next one. Bye for now.